Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to basically destroy an entire Roblox server. So as you can see, my homepage right here, my avatar editor, is completely equipped with a bunch of clothes, which you usually can't do. But with this extension right here, BT Roblox, you should be able to download it from the Google Chrome store. So after you've downloaded it, what you need to do is you want to go into advanced. Then you want to make sure that this avatar remove layered limits is ticked. Then what you want to do is you want to refresh the page, and you can basically just equip as many as you want. So you can play around with it for a bit. I think you might actually need to go on mobile and change the actual order of the layered clothing so you can get it to the right size. But this right here, this blank one, it looks like that because it was too big to load, is actually, I think, the biggest you can get it. So if I just go into please donate right here, you will soon be able to see that my avatar takes up the entire map. Now that I've told you this, do not troll with it too hard. Banning is a punishment. You might use it once or twice, but that's it, okay? You're gonna get banned. Alright, this is a little post-production work. This is actually how you make the avatar. I'll show you guys everything you need to use to actually make it. I know you guys are going to be asking about this in the comments, so I just decided to do it now because I'm not lazy. So what I used the Black Adam top and a noob plushie shirt, I think. For the outerwear, I got the inflatable rubber chicken, and that's it. For the bottoms, I used a bunch of stuff, mostly ruffled dress, I think, cutsy rustled bow skirt. I just got a bunch of them. You could probably use more. I also used a gingerbread man outfit and a couple of feet. If you guys want to see the full outfit and arrangement, this is the order I put them in. So Black Adam top first, then all the dresses, then a chicken suit, then the noob thing, then the gingerbread man, then the feet, and then everything else is just at the bottom. Here is everything you're going to need to buy. There is also all the parts that you're gonna need for it. So everything you need is here. Alright, I hope I could help. Or not help for some people, because some people are gonna have a rough time in their servers. But this is everything you're gonna need. Then after that, you just want to set them in the right order, and you're all good to go. So, hope you enjoyed the video. See you.